Assalamualaikum. Did you make boring website for your presentation? If yes, then today we will learn a PowerPoint trick through which you can make your presentation very creative. So just run now. Show the next slide and show this. Today we will learn how can we make this type of slide in just 30 seconds. So just start running. Go to the insert, add a slide, simply add a blank slide here. Go to the insert and add a text box. There will be a text box. Click on bold, click on Arial and just add some symbols, and I hereby drag it and add some more signs. Just that, simply a sign of dash, a minus. Now after that, click on the shape format, click on the text effect, click on the transform, and there will be an option in fade top. This is a simple inflate, this is a deflate, and this is the inflate bottom, and this is a, I think so, inflate top. Yes, click on the inflate top, and after that drag it and keep its size bigger, just like that. Now right click it, there is an option format text effect. Click on the format text effect, go on the first option which is picture or texture fill, and you can see because I hereby already click on the picture, you will simply go on the insert, go on the from the file, select a picture. For example, if your picture is nature, open, and your picture will be open. Now you can fill a remaining background. Simply click on the back side, there will be option format background on the right side. Click on the fill and click the color that you want. It is so bright, so click on some lighter color according to your choice, like that. Now you can add again some text here. So text box, write something, for example, nature is life. Select the text, keep it bold, bigger in size, and even that you can change its color according to your choice. Okay, now give it animation, go it flying in, keep it mode, and even that you can give an animation to that, and make the time mode. Now we can see, look. So if you like it, then make your slide and share me in the comment either you make it or not. Thank you for watching.